Hey guys, Sunday, May 12th, looking at the week ahead. This upward pressure ends tonight and then we go flat Monday around the plus 10 line. So we're slightly bullish over there. Slightly bullish tendency to sideways. We start to turn down here Monday at 1800. Then we dip down to just below the zero line where that bottoms out about 1500 on Tuesday. Flat to slightly up around the zero line all the way through Wednesday. So that means there's really not much influence there. We turn down Thursday the 16th, and we've got a good push down into Friday morning where we bottom out at somewhere between 1 and 5 a.m. And then we've got upward pressure through Friday into the end of the week here. The blue line, we've got an important spike peak Monday at 11 a.m. Two more down spikes Tuesday, one at the day session 10 a.m. And then we've got a little bit of a flat here later in the day after the close at 17 and 1800. Got a big spike to a high here at plus 15 at 2 a.m. on Wednesday. Another spike high at 1400 Wednesday. Then this one here after the day session at 1700. On Thursday, we've got this spike peak right at noon Eastern time. And then Friday, we've got this down spike low at 6 a.m. And then that's it until we start moving into after the close period. So as always, you want to look for convergence on these lines. Look for the periods where they're both moving in the same direction. In areas where we're flat on the green line like we are on Monday, the blue line will be the influence. So we're going to want to look at that. So we'll be looking for this down energy here, the up energy here on Monday with that reversal at that 11 a.m. point. And that's kind of how you want to look at that. And then, of course, you can dial in tighter. I'll do some videos coming up here soon where I'll take a look at some of the other things you can do with this tool off the Excel sheet. And if you want to, you can also modify your Ninja indicators to do the same thing. So you can focus in on zeroing in on the gray line or just the blue line. The gray line is the really fast line. You can even break that down and look at that into shorter periods. And you can do the same thing with the Ninja that you can do with this calculator. So anyhow, we'll come back and we'll take a look at that sometime this week. I'll get into a little more detail on that.